This is the SYMBYX Neuro, a wellness device designed to support your brain health. This red and infrared helmet is comfortable and easy to use at home. The SYMBYX Neuro emits red light at 635 nanometers and near-infrared light at 810 nanometers, pulsing at 40 Hz. The light diodes are focused on the back of the head and upper neck, which are areas rich in neural inputs. This device is designed to bring a general sense of wellness and may assist in boosting energy and support cognitive function. Use the SYMBYX Neuro up to 5 times a week. Each treatment session only takes 24 minutes, so it can fit easily into your routine. For the first 2 weeks, start by using the SYMBYX Neuro 2 to 3 times to allow your body time to ease into the treatment. As your body adjusts, you can slowly increase to 5 full sessions per week. This is detailed in the user guide that comes with your device, so you can refer to it when you need to. To start, make sure you are seated comfortably. Take the helmet out of the protective case and place it on your head. Adjust the Velcro straps so it sits comfortably across your forehead. Not too tight, not too loose. The circle should be positioned on the crown of the head, and the back of the helmet should be positioned at the base of the skull. Now connect the SYMBYX Neuro to the battery pack with the black connecting cord. It can connect to either input. As soon as it's connected, the helmet will turn on automatically and run through 2 short test cycles, telling you it's about to start treatment. It will then run through the 24-minute treatment cycle, which involves a 12-minute red light cycle, followed by a 12-minute infrared light cycle. You will hear beeps separating each cycle so you know how far along you are in your treatment. Once the helmet plays a final beep to signal the end of your treatment, simply disconnect the cord and store your helmet in the provided carry case until next time. Looking after your SYMBYX device is simple, and each device is high quality and made to last if cared for properly. Here's everything you need to know so your device is clean and ready to use when you need it. After each use, wipe the device down with a dry cloth and place it back inside the protective carry case. Store your device somewhere dry and cool, like a bedside drawer. Avoid storing it in rooms with high humidity, such as your bathroom. Make sure to disconnect your SYMBYX Neuro from the power bank after each use to prevent the battery from depleting. Recharge your batteries when the 4 lights on your battery are down to 1 or 2. Only use the power bank that is provided with your device. That's all it takes to keep your light therapy device in good shape. No complicated steps or special products. As part of the SYMBYX community, you receive access to ongoing clinical support along with your device. The SYMBYX Clinical Support Team are a network of healthcare professionals who know SYMBYX light therapy inside and out. Not only do they answer your questions, but can provide personalized recommendations to help optimize your light therapy experience. The SYMBYX Neuro is easy to use and designed to support your brain health from the comfort of your home. Be sure to read the user guide and safety and contraindications page on our website, and always follow directions of use. If you have any questions, reach out to our customer care team. To learn more or order your SYMBYX Neuro, visit symbyxbiome.com. To speak to a member of our SYMBYX team, inquire via info@symbyxbiome.com.